Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Linear Equations in One Variable. The given question is solve the following linear equation, and the given equation is 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. So guys, let us see how we can solve this given linear equation. Here question has given us this equation 3 into 5z minus 7, 5z minus 7, 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11, 9z minus 11, 2 into 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. And question is asking us here to do two things. One is simplify the equation. Simplify the equation, and the other thing is solve the equation. Guys, question is asking us to do two things here. One is simplify the equation and the other one is solve the equation. So let us start and let us see how quickly and how easily we can solve this type of equations. Here question has given us 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. This is what the question has given us. Now guys, let us first of all simplify this one. Let us multiply the things outside the bracket within the outside the bracket. The numbers that are outside the bracket, let us multiply these things with those of the numbers that are inside the bracket. That means 3 into 5z, 3 into minus 7, 2 minus 2 into 9z and minus 2 into minus 11. Similarly 4 into 8z and 4 into minus 13. Let us multiply these things and open the brackets. So I can write or 3 5s are 15z minus 21, 7 3s are 21, 3 into minus 7 is minus 21, then minus 18z, 2 into 9z is 18z, minus 2 and into minus 11 is plus 22 is equal to 4 8 4s are 32, 32z minus 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 into 13 is 52 minus 17. So guys, this is what we got. We got 15z minus 21 minus 18z plus 22 is equal to 32z minus 52 minus 17. Or I can write 15z minus 18z minus 21 plus 22 is equal to 32z minus 52 minus 17. This is what I did here. I just tried to bring all the variables having z together and all the constant numbers together. So this is what I did in this particular step. Or I can write 15z minus 18z. 15 minus 18 is minus 3z. Minus 3z plus 1. How plus 1? Minus 21 plus 22 is 1. 22 minus 21 is 1 is equal to 32z minus 69. 52 plus 17 is 69. This is what we got. We got minus 3z plus 1 is equal to 32z minus 69. Or I can write or minus 30 or minus 3z or minus 3z is equal to 32z minus 69 minus 1. What I am doing here? I am just transposing. What I did here, I just transported or I just moved, transposing plus 1 from left hand side to right hand side. What I did here, I just moved plus 1 from left hand side to right hand side. Why I am moving? I want to get all together. I am trying to get To the left side of the equation, all the variables having z, and to the right side of the equation, all the numbers without any variables. So this is, for that reason I am moving these things. Or I can write minus 3z. Guys, this is 32z. Minus 3z is equal to 32z minus 69 minus 1. Or I can write minus 3z minus 32z is equal to minus 70. How minus 70? Minus 69 minus 1 is minus 70. So this is what I did here. And what I did here, I moved, or transposing plus 32z from right hand side to left hand side. Guys, we very well know if we move a number from one side to the other side, its sign changes. That means if it is a positive figure, it becomes negative. If it is a negative figure, it becomes positive. Here in the right hand side, you could see that here this is 32z plus 32z, and once it moves to the left hand side, it became minus 32z. So this is what we got. Now I can write, or minus 35z is equal to minus 70. Or I can write minus 35z into minus 1 is equal to minus 70 into minus 1. What I am doing here? I have multiplying minus 1 to both sides. Multiplying minus 1 to both sides. Why am I multiplying minus 1 to both sides? I want to eliminate this negative symbol. For that reason, I am multiplying with minus 1. And we very well know that minus into minus, it becomes plus. For that reason, I multiplied minus 1. So I can write, or 35z, because minus 35z into minus 1 is plus 35z, is equal to minus 70 into minus 1 is plus 70. Or I can write, or I can write 35z divided by, or I can write 35z divided by 35, or I can write 35z divided by 35 is equal to 70 divided by 35. What I am doing here? Dividing both sides by 35. Why I divided both sides by 35? I want to eliminate this 35 from z so that I can get the value of z. If I want to eliminate this 35 from z, I need to divide this 35 with 35 or by 35. If I am dividing left side of the equation by 35, I should also do the same thing to the right side of the equation. For that reason, I divided both sides by 35. Or I can write z is equal to 2. How? This 35 cancels out, and 35 2s are 70. So what we got here? We got the value for z, or we got the value of z as 2. So guys, this is the answer. When we solved this equation, we got the answer as 2. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. Now let us check our answer. We need to check our answer, and we need to confirm if the value of z is 2 or not. Let us check our answer. In order to check our answer, let us rewrite the original equation, or the original equation that the question has given us. So question has given us 3 into 5z minus 7, 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z, 2 into 9z minus 11, 2 into 9z minus 11 is equal to 14 into is equal to 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. This is what the question has given us. This is the original number, original equation. 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. Now let us first of all solve the left side of this equation. So the left side of this equation is 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11. We will first solve the left side of the equation, and we will find a number. We'll find out a number. And similarly, we will solve the right side of the equation, and we will find out a number. And then we will compare whether left side is equal to right hand side or not. If left hand side is equal to right hand side, then the value for z that we got here is absolutely correct. So what we got here in the left side of the equation? The left side of the equation says 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11. Or I can write 3 into 5 into 2 minus 7 minus 2 into 9 into 2 minus 11. What I am doing here? I have just replaced the value of z with 2 that we got here in this step. So I replace the value of z with 2 that we got here in the above step. Or I can write 3 into 5 to the 10, 10 minus 7 minus 2 into 9 to the 18 minus 11. Or I can write 3 into 10 minus 7 is 3 minus 2 into 18 minus 11 is 7. Or I can write 3 3 is 9 minus 14. Or I can write 3 3 is 9 minus 14, that is equal to minus 5. So what we got here? For left side of the equation, we got minus 5. So I can write LHS is equal to minus 5. Now let us solve the right side of the equation. The right side of the equation, given equation is 4 into 8z minus 13. 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. This is what the right side of the equation. Now let us put the value of z in the right side of the equation also, and let us see what value we are getting. Or I can write, or I can write 4 into 8 into minus 5. The value of z here is 2. So I need to multiply 8 with 2, minus 13 minus 17. Or hope guys I am very clear till here. What I am doing here, just I have replaced the value of z and we got the value for z as 2. So 8z means 8 into 2. Or that is equal to, or I can write 4 into 16 minus 13 minus 17. Or I can write 4 into 16 minus 13 is 3 minus 17. Or I can write 4 3 is 12, 12 minus 17, that is equal to minus 5. So what we got? We got right hand side is equal to minus 5. Now guys, what we got right side of the equation is minus 5. And if you observe here, if you look here above, you could see that the left hand side of the equation we also got as minus 5. And now for the right hand side of the equation we also got as minus 5. That means we can easily say that therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence this is verified. And we can easily conclude that whatever the value for z that we got is absolutely correct. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.